Hi, I'm Wade. This is my second photo shoot with Halifax Photowalk. Been having a great time here at Churchill House.
I got to meet some new people.
Yes, I'm having a lot of fun.
I love every minute of it.
Having fun? Yeah.
Having a blast.
It's been a ton of fun.
Having a great time, learning a lot.
We're having a great time here.
Having a great time here.
I'm having so much fun.
And I love coming to these, they're a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm Sabrina. I started with Photowalk Halifax 6 months ago. I love every minute of it. I'm learning lots of things and I love working with Isaac.
Hi! First photo walk. I got to meet some new people, so it's fun and hopefully the pictures will turn out.
Hello, my name is Darren. This is number 4 for the photo walks. They're a lot of fun. Highly recommend everyone and anyone to do them.
Hi, my name is Jeff Bond. This is my second photo walk. Been having a great time here at Churchill House, shooting with lots of different photographers, and encourage everyone to come out.
Hi, I'm Cassidy. This is my 5th photo walk, I think. We're at the Churchill House, having a blast with a bunch of photographers.
Alright, Isaac, this is my very first photo walk. Wow, I've been kind of backgrounding in the last 2 or 3 for the last little while. It's been a ton of fun. Really enjoying it. This house is absolutely to die for. It's amazing.
Hey, it's Paul Morris here, enjoying my second photo walk with Isaac, Darren, and the whole crowd. Having a great time, learning a lot. Only my second photo walk, and it's been a great experience.
Hi, I'm Bob Tabner. I'm a photographer with Bob Tabner Photography. Having a great time here. This is my 3rd photo walk, and this is great.
Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm a model from Halifax. This is my maybe 7th photo walk. We're having a great time here. I love coming to these things. See you at the next one. See you at the next one.